Hello everyone. In our channel's playlist, you will get the other subjects class-wise easily. You can refer that for your help. So now we are going to start with a new chapter for class 9 standard, that is circles. So today in your introduction part, just we will see the term what are related to the circle and what is the introductory part for the class 9th portion. Circles and its related terms. So we will see first of all what do you mean by the circle and what are the related terms for the circles. So first of all, the examples for circle, what you will see in your daily life, coins are there, clock is there, and you are having a wheel and key ring. These all are nothing but in a circular shape. So when we are saying the circle, it's nothing but, already you are familiar, a collection of the points in a plane which are at the fixed distance. If you are having a circle, from the fixed point, what they call the fixed point, the fixed point is always called as center and which is represented by the letter O. So from the center, all the points, if you are taking A, B, C, D, likewise any point, if you are taking the point B here, point C, point D, all the points will be at the equal distance from the fixed point. Fixed point हमने क्या लिया यहाँ पे O. तो O से आपके जो सारे पॉइंट्स हैं सर्कल के, that will be at equal distance, then only it is called as a circle. So what we can write the definition here, the collection of all the points, the collection of all the points in a plane which are at fixed distance from a fixed point in a plane. From a fixed point in a plane. So what we are saying, the definition for the circle here, it is the collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance. So fixed point we are taking as the center, which is nothing but O here. From O, if you are taking all the points here, if you will take D point, here if I am taking the point Y, these all the points will be at the equal distance. That is the definition for circles. Now we will see one by one what all the terms are which are related to circle. When we are saying about a circle, it will have the three parts on a plane. So if you are taking a point on the circle, if I am having the point A, here point B and the point C. So where the point A is lying, it's nothing but we are saying the word interior. The point A is lying in the inside of the circle, means it's nothing but interior. The point A is lying inside, that's why we are saying the word interior. Then the point B, where it is lying, it's nothing but on outside the circle, so it's nothing but the exterior. The point B is lying outside the circle. And the third, what we are having, the point C, that is nothing but which are exactly on the circle, on circle, or you can say on the circumference of the circle. So that is nothing but the point C. It means here whenever we are drawing a circle, it is dividing the plane into three parts: interior of the circle, exterior of the circle, and on the circle itself. So these 3 points you have to remember. A plane is dividing into three with a circle, interior, exterior, and on the circle. Now next we will go to the related terms. The first point we are having for the center of a circle. So what do you mean by the center of a circle here? Center is nothing but, first point we are taking here, the definitions. After circle's definition, in center is nothing but the fixed point from where you are drawing the circle. So that is called as the center of a circle, and which is represented by the letter O. Here in this figure we are taking the center as O, and which is nothing but a fixed point from where we are drawing the circle. That is your center. Now after center, the second point we will see for radius. What do you mean by a radius? Radius is nothing but a line segment between from a center to any point on the circle. If I am joining this O to B, from O to Y, if I am joining this O to C, these all are nothing but the radius, and the radius plural form is radii. When we are having more than one radius, we are saying it as radii. So always when we are taking a circle, all the radius will be equal, because as it is having the fixed distance. So in this figure, what will be the radius here? OA will be the radius, as well as OB, OC, OY. These all are nothing but the radius of the circle. So what do you mean by the radius? It is a line segment from the center of the point, center of the circle to any point on the circle. आपके सेंटर से सर्कल तक जो आप लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहे हो, that line is called as radius. Now after radius, a next point you are having, third point, diameter. What do you mean by the diameter here? Diameter is nothing but the line segment which is passing through the circle and passing through the center and joining to any 2 points. If I am having the circle here like, and that is your center point O. From O, if you are joining any line which is joining to the 2 points on the circle, here in the radius में क्या था, सेंटर से आपको एक पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करना था. यहाँ पे अगर आप सेंटर से दो अपोजिट पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन कर रहे हो विच आर पासिंग थ्रू द सेंटर, then that line is called as the radius. So in this third figure, what you are having, we can say AB is a diameter. So diameter is nothing but a line which is passing through the center and joining to the 2 points on the circle. So this is a diameter. So in this we can say AB is our diameter. And diameter, one more point we are having related to diameter, like chord. Chord, what do you mean by the chord? It's nothing but any line segment which is joining the 2 points on the circle. This I am drawn for the third, this I am drawing for the fourth one definition. Here, if suppose I am joining the 2 points XY, this is your center point, and this I am taking LM. So what you call this XM and LY, these are nothing but the chord. Chord is nothing but a line which is joining any 2 points on the circle. जो भी 2 points को circle के join कर रहा है, that line is called as chord. And when we are saying about the chord, this diameter is the biggest chord of the circle. जो diameter होता है, that is your biggest chord. अब diameter के अलावा आप जितने भी chords draw करोगे, that will be smaller than the diameter. So here we can say chords are nothing but XY, LM, and if I am naming this here PQ. So this PQ is also a chord, as well as the PQ is the diameter. So what is the PQ? PQ is the diameter, and always the diameter will be the biggest chord of the circle. And when we are saying this term diameter, diameter will be the twice of the radius. So if suppose you are having a circle, here the center is O and the diameter is AB, and the diameter I am taking here as 5 cm. If the diameter is 5, then its radius. Radius means dividing into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts what you are having, that is nothing but 2.5 and 2.5. So diameter will be always the double of the radius. So these 4 points, I hope it is clear for you all. The first point is center, radius, diameter and chord. Now next we will see what are the related terms for the circles. After chord, next fifth definition, which is related term you are having as arc. A-R-C. Arc. What do you mean by the arc? It's nothing but a piece of a circle. If suppose you are having a circle now, for fifth one, the figure is for fifth one. If this much part you are considering x and y, तो ये वाला जो part है xy, it's nothing but the part of the circle. So that xy is called as an arc. If I am taking here this much part, PQ. So this is also an arc. When we are saying about the arc, it will have the two major arc and the minor arc. This XY will be your, like, it is smaller, as the name itself it is suggesting. Minor matlab smaller, major means it is which is more in size, or which is having more length, that is nothing but the major arc and minor arc. If we are taking a part of the circle, that part is called as the word, you have to represent it as arc. Here if you are saying the XY is also an arc and this PQ is also an arc for this circle. After arc, the next point we are dealing with, sixth point, segment. So for the sixth one, first we will draw the figure here. If this is your center O and this is your X and Y. So this part is called as your segment. So what do you mean with the what you can say the definition for the segment? It is the region between a chord. XY is a chord, एक लाइन है और ये वाला सर्कल का पार्ट है, तो जो इन दोनों के बिटवीन का एरिया है, दैट एरिया इज कॉल्ड एज सेगमेंट. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू से अगेन, segment is nothing but the region between chord and arc. जो chord और arc के in between region है, that is called as segment. And again this is dividing into two segments. This smaller segment is called as minor segment and this greater part is called as major segment. Minor segment and major segment. And what you have to remember as the definition, segment, it is the region matlab area, it is the region between the chord and a arc. Chord और arc के बीच में जो region है, that is called as segment. And in that segment again you are having two, minor segment and मेजर सेगमेंट. माइनर सेगमेंट जो छोटी वाली आर्क के साथ है वो वाला छोटा पार्ट है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड माइनर सेगमेंट. जो बड़ा वाली आर्क है, जो बड़ी आर्क के साथ है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मेजर सेगमेंट. द नेक्स्ट सेवेंथ पॉइंट वी आर डीलिंग हियर विथ सेक्टर. लेट अस सी द फिगर नाउ. When we are saying a sector, it is nothing but again the region between the two radii, दो radii और arc. This is your part of the circle, ये वाला part है arc और ये दो radii हैं, तो that is region is called as sector. It's nothing but region between these two radii, between two radii, and radii is nothing but the plural of radius and arc. दो रेडियस और आर्क का जो सेगमेंट एरिया है, दिस एरिया इज कॉल्ड एज सेक्टर. अगेन इन सेक्टर यू आर हैविंग टू. ये वाला जो आर्क है स्मॉलर आर्क है, तो स्मॉलर के लिए आपको नेम लिखना है माइनर सेक्टर. एंड एज दिस इज योर बिगेस्ट आर्क, आपकी ये वाली आर्क बड़ी वाली आर्क है, सो आपको लिखना है मेजर सेक्टर. Minor sector and major sector. Now when we are saying about the last point we will see for this, the related term semicircle. When we are saying the semicircle, it's nothing but half of the circle. अगर आपका एक सेम आप सर्कल ले रहे हो, सपोज आई एम ड्रॉइंग वन सर्कल हियर. इफ इन दिस सर्कल अ लाइन, these are the end points of the arc. So what you are having, minor arc, major arc, you are not having, both the arcs are equal. अप साइड का भी आर्क और नीचे वाला जो आर्क है वो दोनों आर्क इक्वल होंगे, दैट टाइम इट्स कॉल्ड एज सेमी सर्कल. अप साइड इज ऑल्सो अ सेमी सर्कल एंड द डाउन साइड इज ऑल्सो अ सेमी सर्कल. एज द बोथ आर्क्स आर इक्वल, you will not get any like major segment, minor segment you will not get. Both will be like semi circle. दोनों पार्ट सेमी सर्कल है, उसमें एक भी वाला पार्ट छोटा नहीं है और एक वाला पार्ट बड़ा नहीं है. सो वी कैन नॉट से एज मेजर और माइनर. बोथ विल बी कंसिडर एज सेमी सर्कल इफ इट इज़ डिवाइडिंग विद द डायमीटर. डायमीटर से अगर वो आपका आर्क ख़त्म हो जा रहा है, देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज द सेमी सर्कल. सो these all are the related terms to the circle, what already you are knowing and what you already had studied in your previous classes. Now actually we have to see what is there in our 9th standard portion, which we will see in our next video. Hope it is clear for you the basic terms. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.